Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Keap for lead tracking with MFA step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Keap account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the account settings option from the drop-down menu. In the account settings, find and select the users tab on the left side of the screen. Locate your user profile from the list and click on it to open the profile settings. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. If it's not already enabled, click on the Enable button to start the MFA setup process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of authentication, either via a mobile app or SMS. If you select the mobile app option, download an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. Open the Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. A barcode scanner will appear. Return to the Keap window where you can see a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your Authenticator app. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code for your Keap account. Input the 6-digit code into the designated field in Keap. Click Verify to confirm that the code is correct. If the code is accepted, MFA will now be enabled for your account. For those who chose SMS, enter your phone number when prompted. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code back into Keap and click Verify. With MFA successfully set up, logging in will now require both your password and the second factor of authentication. Be assured that this additional layer of security will help keep your lead tracking data safe. Now, whenever you log into Keap, follow the instructions provided to authenticate your identity using MFA. You're now ready to track leads securely with enhanced protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.